Okay, so we are going to be talking about persuasive speech that you should have started yesterday with your writing. So yesterday, your job was to pick a topic and then you were to plan the reasons for why the audience should let you do what you want to do. So my persuasive topic is that I think teachers should get every Friday off. So that is my topic that I'm going to be writing about. And then you guys were supposed to make a little chart that looks like this, and you're supposed to jot down reasons. So if I were thinking of my reasons, one of them might be so we can do better work throughout the week. And remember, you're supposed to also draw a picture to go with your reason. So if I'm thinking about work, I might draw a piece of paper with some writing on it. So that's one reason, but look how many squares you have. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you needed to have 4 reasons, and there were very few people that had 4 reasons. So better work is one of my reasons. So we can get more rest. And maybe I'll draw a person with that's sleeping. So we can get more rest. Another one is so the students can have more free time. So that one I might draw kids playing baseball. And then my last reason is so we can spend time with our family. So we can spend time with our family, and I might draw little Ty Guy because he's my family. It's the best tie I could do. So I told you what the subject was, what I'm trying to, or who I'm trying to persuade. So my audience for this is people in Olathe, the district, to tell them that we should get every Friday off. And I have my 4 reasons why we should get every Friday off. Okay? So you should have picked a topic yesterday, and you should have wrote what your topic was, and then your 4 reasons for why they should let you do that. Today, you will be writing an introduction. So this was just a review of what you did yesterday, but today we're actually going to be writing an introduction. So see the next video to find out what you need to do for your introduction.